didn't know that. And I struck it.
You did it! You literally did the best you could.
I'm the best. Yeah.
I'm Brady Patrick Fireisel. I was born in Chicago, Illinois. I don't know how I ended up in Arizona, but here I am with my boys.
Hey, are we going to the casino? This guy wants to go. That was a bad throw, guys. It was a bad throw. I gotta hit it,
It hit my leg.
Right here. Handpins, baby.